So, the last step I always do when I'm sharpening any of my tools is I use a strop. I picked this one up from one of the tool shops for about $25 a while ago. It came with like a little stick of polishing compound. It's that last step that I use to get a mirror finish on my chisels, which comes up beautifully. Yeah. But the one thing I found with this was, for wider plane blades, it's just not wide enough. So I built myself a big strop. So I'll show you how to make that.
And then the property basically gets passed in.
Yes.
If we say the reserve price was way above that advertised price, so can they do this or?
Well, the reserve price, there's two parts to the question. The displayed to comparable sales and other information that justifies how they arrived at that figure.
Help you around the farm doing what he wanted to do.
Yes.
So we did that. We, we slashed his property. We put a crop in for him. We baled it. And then my young bloke ended up in an exit and he wanted to take his material off.
Yes.
Take it up his place to start using it.
Yep.
Well, that was all right. The bloke I know, he said, look, I want you to leave the tractor and slash it here and it's going to be how long for you? He said, about a month. He said, yeah, righto, because he wanted to slash his property.
Yep.
So after 9 weeks, we went out and said, right, we're going to take the tractor and slash away. He said, no. And
Security issues that might otherwise arise.
At the same time
Next week.
next Tuesday, friends, and the problems just continue. That and more, the open line, the conversation out, lots still to come.
Relief. Senator Storer says he understands the community outrage over banking misconduct.
Okay, so quite literally that's all it took, really. All I had was it's a scrap of jarrah that I've had up on the shelf, and it's about, what's that, about 8 inches by about 4.5 inches, so it's about 200 mil by about 11 centimetres. It's just an offcut at the end of an 8x2 that I use for yarn bowls, so it's just been sitting up the shelf and it's a bit small to go into a bowl or anything like that. And I picked up a bag about this big of leather scraps from Spotlight, one of the haberdashery stores down the road. So the woods cost me pretty much nothing because it's just an offcut. The leather cost me $8 for a big bag. I've already made 2 of these down at the men's shed, and this one as well, so far it's up to a bit under $3 each. And I've picked up just a polishing compound from Bunnings for about $11, so really it's a much cheaper way of getting around to do it. This one's a bit of a premium effort, and that's, I don't know, it's a pretty light dodgy bit of wood on the back anyway. This will give me a nice big one, and I can strop big things now. I've been meaning to do that for a while, so anyway, have a good one.